Are you looking for the best light luxury tables and chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best light luxury tables and chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Light luxury tables and chairs. This restaurant furniture set has the following features. Stylish design suitable for any restaurant decor. Includes a 2-seater sofa, single chair, and tables. Sofa available in various colors and materials, including leather or fabric. Tables available in rectangular, square, or round shapes. Tabletops available in solid wood, plywood, or marble. High quality construction ensures durability and longevity. Number 2. Dining table with chair. 1 table. Simple, anti-collision design, round and smooth corners. Smooth polishing to avoid friction on the skin. Safe collision, protect the elderly of the home. Children health chair. Oxhorn design, ergonomically designed to support your back, so you can sit for a long time without getting tired. Selected A3 carbon steel frame. Carbon steel bottom frame, durable, abrasion resistant, and special processing provides high abrasion resistance and hardness. Thick carbon steel legs. The surface is delicately painted to prevent oxidation, rusting. Durable and solid sandblast construction. The whole frame is thick, safe, durable, rust resistant, thick and durable. Number 3. Folding dining table set. 6 chairs. Vintage square Italian dining table. Material wooden shape, rectangle. Specific use dining table style, minimalist, modern, general use home furniture. Folded, yes. Applicable number greater than 10. Place of origin China is _ customized, yes. Logistics free shipping optional. Logistics DHL, FedEx, UPS. Product name 1 Muebles de Cocina. Product name 2 Mesas de Comedor. Product name 3 Mesa de Comedor. Product name 4 Conjuntos de Sala de Jantar. Product name 5 Mesas y Sillas de Comedor. Product selling points 1 Dining table Nordic minimalist. Product selling points 2 Extendable dining table. Product selling points 3 Folding dining table set. 6 chairs. Number 4. Small apartment wall dining table. A foldable small table, compact and comfortable, very safe, and easy to store. There is a comfortable handle on the edge of the table, which is more convenient to carry. You can put the foldable table in the trunk of the car and go for a picnic. The collapsible table can meet various occasions as camping table, travel table, beach tables for bed table, tray, etc. Make it very easy to transform between indoor and outdoor use. Number 5. Folding balcony bar counter window integrated high leg table. The narrow high table can be used in many places and occasions: bar, coffee shop, library, office, meeting room, kitchen, living room, entryway, party, wedding, etc. Stable construction, sturdy and well contracted. This bar height table is an especially eye-catching centerpiece. The space-saving design allows the stool to be tucked completely under the table when not in use.